Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 7 o'clock America, New York. Bitcoin, Nike, Meredith, Carnival. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Bitcoin was sinking on a crackdown in China. Nike said production woes were hurting sales. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 7 o'clock America, New York. Crypto funds trade in coins scrutinized by SEC. Trying to benefit from the sector's rapid growth, wealthier investors are buying financial products that carry legal and regulatory risk.
Daily FX Market News. September 24. 7 o'clock America, New York. EUR, USD outlook. Recovery looks weak and increasingly vulnerable. The rise in U.S. Treasury yields will eventually feed into EUR, USD and knock the pair lower, with sub-1.1700 looking likely.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 7 o'clock America, New York. Nike can handle Vietnam, but watch China. Supply chain delays will throw obstacles in Nike's way, but those issues are manageable compared to any lost market share in China.
New York Times Business. September 24. 7 o'clock America, New York. U.S. debt limit could be reached in mid-October, analysts say. The analysis showed a narrower window during which the United States could default on its debt. The Treasury has said it has no official contingency plan if the debt limit is breached. The Treasury Department Building.
Naked Capitalism. September 24. 6:57 America, New York. Is HSBC beginning to regret betting the bank on China? The bank is heavily exposed to Evergrande and the Chinese real estate market. And it's trapped in the middle of an escalating economic war between the world's two superpowers.
Forex Live. September 24. 6:46 America, New York. Latest polls continue to pin German conservatives behind ahead of election weekend. German election to take place on Sunday the 26th of September. Meanwhile, the Ipsos and FSG Wahlen polls earlier showed that the gap is narrowing a touch, but the CDU, CSU are still on the back foot and it will be a challenge for them to come out on top this coming Sunday.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 6:30 America, New York. Toast is hot, but software is the jam. After a sizzling public offering for the restaurant technology provider Toast, investors should be looking closely at its subscription software business. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 6:28 America, New York. China declares Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency transactions illegal. China's central bank said all cryptocurrency-related transactions are illegal, reinforcing the country's tough stance against digital rivals to government-issued money.
Forex Live. September 24. 6:19 America, New York. Risk keeps on the softer side so far on the day. European equities modestly lower. U.S. futures also down. All of this is keeping the dollar steadier overall, with commodity currencies the laggards still on the day. Forex Live. September 24. 6:12 America, New York. Bitcoin down over 5% after China vows harsh crackdown on cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin down over 5% to $42,300. Currently, it has been one-way traffic for cryptocurrencies after the China headlines earlier, with Bitcoin down over 5% currently and erasing the gains from yesterday.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 24. 6:09 America, New York. Apollo unit backs Hong Kong insurer FWD's $3 billion U.S. IPO. Hong Kong tycoon Richard Lee's FWD Group landed a $400 million investment as part of the Asian insurer's plans for a multi-billion-dollar U.S. listing.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 6:09 America, New York. Apollo unit backs Hong Kong insurer FWD's $3 billion U.S. IPO. Hong Kong tycoon Richard Lee's FWD Group landed a $400 million investment as part of the Asian insurer's plans for a multi-billion-dollar U.S. listing. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24. 6:07 America, New York. China needs to kick its coal habit at home, too. China's pledge to cease financing coal plants abroad is good for the environment and makes business sense, too. But progress at home is the real key.
Forex Live. September 24. 6:04 America, New York. UK September CBI retailing reported sales 11 versus 35 expected. Latest data released by CBI the 24th of September 2021.
Google Business News. September 24. 6:02 America, New York.
WB stands in second position in direct selling business. IDSA report, United News of India. WB stands in second position in direct selling business. IDSA report, United News of India. Google Business News, September 24, 6:02 America, New York. WB stands in second position in direct selling business. IDSA report, United News of India. WB stands in second position in direct selling business. IDSA report, United News of India.
New York Times Business, September 24, 6 o'clock America, New York. Why reparations are needed to close the racial wealth gap. The U.S. government's debt to emancipated slaves and their descendants is more than 155 years overdue, an economist says.
BBC News Business, September 24, 5:57 America, New York. Thousands of energy customers facing bill shocks. People are awaiting decisions by the regulator about which surviving company will take on their supply.
Daily FX Market News, September 24, 5:51 America, New York. Bitcoin and AMP. Ethereum drop as China declares cryptocurrency activities illegal. China crackdown on cryptocurrencies. Declares crypto activities illegal. Bitcoin and AMP. Ethereum slide.
BBC News Business, September 24, 5:39 America, New York. Gas price crisis. Shift focus to using less energy, says boss. The government should concentrate on how people can use less energy so they pay less, a supplier says.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business, September 24, 5:30 America, New York. Commerce Secretary aims to strengthen business ties with China. Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo said in an interview with the Wall Street Journal that she would seek to improve U.S.-China business ties, saying business is of mutual benefit at a time of increasing tensions between the two nations. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business, September 24, 5:30 America, New York. Shipping chaos hits Germany's Christmas King. Transportation delays make delivering in time for the holidays a costly headache for this big seller of festive decorations. Fantastic, there has been another delay. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business, September 24, 5:30 America, New York. Derby's take. Powell's Muni Bond Holdings flag expansive Fed footprint. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's personal investment profile is a reminder of why the Fed has generally tried to keep any asset buying it does to treasuries and certain types of mortgage bonds.